tickets, and now you're on 500 quid for tonight. Give you all a big hand, pat yourself on the back, you've done really, really well. I'm limited what I'm allowed to say. Okay. Right. Thank you for our gardener, for all the good work that you do. Diox. Thank you. It is appreciated. Oh yeah, Dave, we got something up here for you. We didn't buy it for you, but we got something for you. Can you come up here and get it? It's a bit like a t-shirt, like, you know? Comes from a seat and a driver. Thank you. Yeah?
Rob, we're looking at you.
We're looking at you, Rob. Are we good? Yeah, you can go now. Are you going to show everybody what you got? I've been told it about like that. Go on, rip it open. Love and attention. Caring person. There you go. He'll sit out on the track, in the rain, cut the grass, and everything else he does. Thank you very much. You happy now? Who else we got? What you got? Thank you from all the team for coming down here tonight and making an effort, and all the good work you do throughout the year that nobody ever sees, nobody even cares. Right? But thank you very much. And you got this, Karen, Becky, you've been absolutely amazing. Don't call it a secret weapon from Oppen, then we've got Joffrey, but everybody can. Thank you. We enjoy doing this for you, right? It's a lot of fun. We coming in here tonight and having a couple of beers and chilling fun, that's great, right? But we know exactly where the money's going, right? So if you'd like to come up here, and you. Quite faithful like that, just because he didn't wear anything red. No, he doesn't. We just use his name. We'd like to give you a little something to go away with tonight. One each.
Thank you, everybody. Well, we opened the Sir Gareth Edwards Cancer Charity just over a year and a half ago now. And when a charity starts, people usually avoid the charity because they don't know how it's going to work out. But you, as a community, have supported us from the very beginning, and we cannot start to tell you how grateful we are. You are such a welcoming group of people, and you work so hard. I'm on the phone constantly to Graham, who's telling me, you know, coming up with these crazy ideas, and I'm going, really? Is that what we? But we are honestly so grateful, and we love the coming to see the trucks and walking around the field, and we are just extremely grateful. So, as you know, the Sir Gareth Edwards Cancer Charity supports young people aged 15 to 35 who are going through cancer treatment in Wales. And since opening a year and a half ago, we have given £93,000 directly into the bank accounts of young people to help them put petrol in the car to get to hospital, to help them pay for wigs, to help them pay for household bills. So it's the very basic stuff, but it's the really important stuff, and we couldn't run this charity without you. So diolch o galon I bob a un ohonoch chi. Thank you very, very much.
Alright, Gareth, it's your turn now. And I tell you what, as for you loyal people who come down, you attend these, if we do a pub job, you come down, you bring your lorries down, we have a bar and we have a blast and it's great fun, right? It's an absolute pleasure for Darren, myself and the team to be around all of you. I don't call any names, Glenn. Right. But it's an absolute pleasure working for you. So now we're able to give Sir Gareth his check. There you go, girls. And £10,000, yes, we give him 15 grand last year. We might have out there an awful lot more from the last show. And here we are. It's still a good number. No, you're not going anywhere. Your turn.
Well, I can only endorse what my daughter-in-law has already stated and what have you. I've been involved in the truck world indirectly for a very, very long time anyway. But I haven't seen so much help and the delivery of fine cash for a very worthwhile charity. Although it's got my name on it, it's Silas' baby, and really it's her hard work and her involvement in the charity that makes it possible for these young kids to have direct contact with her and getting the money immediately into their bank accounts. So, you know, without people like yourselves, this wouldn't be possible. It's easy for me to say thank you on a night like this, but the hard work comes from people like yourselves who make sure it works at the end of the day by holding and giving away the money raised on those days to the charity. So diolch yn fawr iawn am hwnna.